Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to give you an exclusive tour of my home's stunning curtains and window blinds collection. Get ready to be inspired as we explore the unique styling choices that have transformed each room into a personalized sanctuary. Let's dive in. We begin our tour in the heart of my home, the living room. Here, I've chosen luxurious floor-to-ceiling velvet curtains that exude elegance and sophistication. The deep jewel tones complement the neutral color palette, adding a touch of drama and opulence to the space. These curtains not only enhance the overall aesthetic but also provide excellent light control and privacy. Moving on to the bedroom, I wanted to create a cozy and serene ambience. To achieve this, I'm opted for sheer curtains with delicate floral patterns. These curtains allow natural light to gently filter in, creating a soft and dreamy atmosphere. Paired with blackout roller blinds, I can easily adjust the level of light and privacy according to my needs. Now, let's step into my home office, where functionality meets style. To maximize productivity, I've chosen vertical blinds that offer excellent light control and glare reduction. The clean lines and modern design add a professional touch to the space, creating a conducive environment for work. The blinds also allow me to enjoy a clear view of the outdoors while maintaining privacy. The kitchen is the heart of any home, and I wanted to infuse it with warmth and personality. I've installed charming cafe curtains that add a touch of nostalgia and coziness. They also provide a subtle backdrop for my potted herbs, adding a fresh and organic element to the kitchen. Finally, we reach the dining area, where I've chosen Roman shades to complement the overall aesthetic. These shades offer a perfect balance between privacy and natural light, creating an intimate setting for gatherings. And there you have it, my curated collection of curtains and window blinds that have transformed my home into a stylish and personalized sanctuary. I hope this video has inspired you to explore different options for your own home and discover the power of curtains and window blinds in elevating your living spaces.